Hi everyone, hope you are all doing good. This is your host from Pakistan, Sadia Khalid. I'm so excited that today we are relaunching the 30 Shining Stars of the World Book 2022. We are live from Pakistan and Italy. In this virtual relaunch ceremony, we'll introduce the best 30 shining stars of the world. First, I would love to introduce the author of this book, Miss Prachi Gupta from India. She is a social activist and best-selling author from India. Thank you so much, Prachi, for joining us. First of all, congratulations to you for this excellent piece of work. Kindly let our audience know why do you think to write this book and how do you decide to write this book?
Okay, so the idea to write this book came to me long back, but it was not going towards fruition. It was when a friend from USA totally supported and urged me like, Prachi, do this. You can do and bring this book, and it's a beautiful idea. Just go about it. So it was her who made me complete this book.
Okay, kindly let me know to my audience and me as well that what difficulties did you face while writing this book?
Like every project has a lot of hurdles. This project too had a lot of hurdles. Like it's my first non-fiction book. I have earlier written all fiction stuff. So in itself, it was a different kind of experience. But the most difficult thing was to find the most genuine and totally inspiring 30 people out of the whole nominations we got. We got a lot of nominations, but finding the true humanitarians which truly hold that element of inspiration and who are really doing good for the society, not pretending to be good, but truly doing good to the society, that was a big hurdle.
Prachi, do let us know what is the status of this book now in international market?
As you can see that this book is going in a lot of countries and it's inspiring. So if we see to the market, it is growing, it is rapidly growing, it is rapidly going in the sense that now we are planning to launch it in December in Hindi language also. Not only Hindi, we might convert that into many languages. So we are getting a lot of demands about it getting published in different languages. Many people are appreciating it, and I'm getting a lot of reviews about this book, and it's a kind of book that everyone can read. So it's for all ages, so everyone is giving a positive feedback about it.
That's really great. Prachi, any message for youth?
So for the youth, I just want to say that keep reading, because when you are inspired, you inspire others. So be an inspiration for everyone in this life. Read this book, 30 Shining Stars of the World. Everyone should read it and be motivated, because it's not just a book. It is about second chances, starting over, success in the midst of troubles. So this book is truly going to change your life. Like the people who are somebody today, they were earlier are nobody, a commoner, and today they are celebrities. So their stories are in this book. So read it and shine your light everywhere.
Thank you so much, Prachi, that you joined us and give us your precious time. Thank you so much. So guys, this is the high time to meet our shining stars, the 30 shining stars. So let's start. And our first shining star is Ana Isabel Fiafilio from Peru. She is economist with experience in investment, planning and open government, promotes sustainable development and citizen participation, and with interest in international development, diplomacy and public policy. She won the Neapolitan Awards 2021. Let's round of applause for her and invite her. How are you?
Hi, my name is Silvia Filio. I'm from Peru. The title of my story is Resilient, a Strategy for Dreams, because I believe that perseverance and resilience motivated us to continue achieve our dreams. Sometimes we have a good goal and we think that it cannot be achieved due to various circumstances. But despite of this, things start to fall into place to achieve in the right time. Keep inspiring other people with good actions.
So guys, let's meet our second shining star. Our next shining star is Bojana Bogjevic from Serbia. She's a lawyer, specialist for corporate governance, expert for Europe, accredited climate change teacher, climate reality leader officially trained by AI Gore, planetary ambassador and UNFCCC, honorary executive director for SDG education.
Please, never stop following your dreams because someone somewhere is counting on you. Because you are able to be voice of those whose whispers can't be heard. You are able to be their eyes, ears, voice, hands, legs. You are able to change your life. You're able to change their lives. You are able to change with your knowledge, present and future of your town, village, society, country, and whole planet. Be clever and to educate yourself and use your knowledge wisely.
Guys, let's meet our next shining star. He is an enthusiastic, energetic, young, passionate journalist, Rana Ali Zuhaib from Pakistan. He is a journalist, writer, senior vice president, Pakistan Federal Union of Columnists, and he is serving as press secretary of Consulate of Liberland, Pakistan. So let's meet him.
Hi everyone, this is Rana Ali Zuhaib, Senior Vice President, Pakistan Federal Union of Columnists, a journalist, a writer, and of course an author from Pakistan. Today I have been awarded with an outstanding International Male Journalist of the Year award and featured in 30 Shining Stars of the World book by Prachi Gupta. First of all, I would love to thank and congratulate the most outstanding social activist, the best-selling author, Ms. Prachi Gupta, and of course a very good friend of mine from India to honor me to finding such precious 30 shining stars across the world and publishing an outstanding book. Congratulations to you, to your family, to your friends across the world, and congratulations to all the fellow featured shining stars. Good luck, Ms. Prachi Gupta. You are doing the great job. You are a symbol of peace. You are doing the great at your end. Please keep hardworking and shine like a star in the sky. We all are with you. The Pakistan is with you. I am with you. The whole world is with you. Please keep trying. Please keep hardworking in your life, in your coming life. Thank you so much and best of luck for your further achievements, for your further hard work. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, Rana Ali Zuhaib. Our next shining star is also from Pakistan, Dia Chaudhary. She is CEO of Team Dia Global Private Limited, founder of Fight for Life, anchor, research scholar, life coach, and global educator.
Hello everyone, this is Dia Chaudhary from Islamabad, Pakistan. I am a business lady by profession and chairperson of Team Dia Global Private Limited. Traveling across the globe to promote peace internationally is my passion. 30 Shining Stars of the World 2022 is a book written by Ms. Prachi Gupta, which contains inspirational stories of 30 influential personalities of world. You can read my life story in that book to learn about real success. If you want to live a happy life, let your passion leads you as a teacher.
Thank you so much, Dia, for your precious time. Our next shining star is Queen Corazon from USA. She is a philanthropist, TV host, model, actress, Mrs. Asia USA CA, Miss Amazia International, World Class Beauty Queen USA, and author.
Hello everyone, this is Queen Corazon Galde Yalen Armenta, world-class beauty queen USA ambassador. I would like to thank Ms. Prachi Gupta, best-selling author and founder of Havel Books. I'm deeply honored to receive this prestigious award as the most outstanding international beauty queen of the year. And also I would like to thank being part of the book 30 Shining Stars of the World 2022.
Thank you so much, Queen, for your precious time. Let's move on towards next shining star. He is Dimitris P. Kraniotis from Greece. He is medical doctor, poet, author, doctor of literature, academician, peace ambassador, and winner of many national and international awards.
I am Dimitris Pikraniotis from Greece. I am medical doctor and poet. It is a great honor for me to be included in the book 30 Shining Stars of the World 2022. I am a medical doctor who writes poetry. I believe that poetry can bring peace and brotherhood to the people. Poetry can inspire young people for a better world.
Thank you so much for giving us your time. Our next shining star is from Pakistan. She is Professor Dr. Huma Shah. She is a pathologist, professor, ambassador, director, Global Trainer Academy, youngest researcher, international mental health trainer and consultant, global certified educationist, and international transformational speaker.
Hello everyone, a warm greetings from my side. This is Professor Dr. Huma Shah from Pakistan. Okay, so I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to my very own dear friend Prachi Gupta and respected Honorable Mr. Rana Ali from Pakistan for organizing and creating the relaunch of the very successful book 30 Shining Stars of the World. And I am really feeling so proud to be among those Shining Stars of the World book. So just order that book first of all to get the copies at your doorsteps as soon as possible. It's available worldwide on Amazon. And the second thing, before purchasing the book, this thing which has to be understand at the first priority, that life is not a bed of roses. Okay, there are a lot of plenty of sacrifices, compromises, struggle, tragedies, and you have to face it, and you have to come up with all these strategies to build up a better future, better nation, and better generation. So I just really hope that our message will give you the best of the best benefits in your life, and you will touch the sky as we did it already.
Thank you so much, Huma. Our next shining star is from Nigeria. He is Dr. Ulubogo. He is international award-winning speaker, author, media personality, publisher, business coach, gospel singer, founder of LMA Awards, and chief editor at LMA Magazine.
Hello, my name is Dr. Ifai Chukwu Petwise. I'm the founding director of the International LMA Awards and chief editor at International LMA Magazine. I'm an author and also a brandpreneur. I want to say a big thanks to Prachi Gupta and a big thanks to Global TV India for this prestigious honor as the most international innovative leader of the year. This award means a lot to me. I want to say a big thanks to my family, a big thanks to LMA team, and a big thanks to all the people that have supported us one way or the other. And I want to say, if you're a young person out there, I want you to believe in your dream. I do not give up on who you are. Do not give up on yourself. Do not give up on your dream. Continue to impact your generation. Continue to impact your community. And do not give up on yourself.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Now let's welcome our next shining star. She is Roshni Shehnaz from India. She is global spiritual thought leader and healing medium, founder of Holistic Wellbeing Private Limited and Meher Roshni Foundation India, director for the Unity in Diversity India chapter of the Global Dialogue Foundation Australia, advisory board member of Sanghakya Buddhist Foundation and the Golden Door Singapore, ambassador and executive committee member.
Namaste, this is Roshni Shanaz from Mumbai, India. I am so thankful and grateful to Prachi Gupta for the inclusion in the 30 Shining Stars of the World Award and book series. 30 Shining Stars. Stars on Earth. Such a beautiful privilege to be included in and to be a part of. Each of us has our story embedded in this book. A story which we hope shall touch your hearts and help you, inspire you, assist you in your journey through your earthly and spiritual pursuits. A journey that has been amazing for me with the grace of God, my beloved God, Avatar Meher Baba, has been my guide, my mentor, my guru, my mother, father, and everything, and above all, my God. A journey that has been where I have been brought 180 degrees around the other side of the world, coming from 20 plus years in film and mainstream Bollywood media industry to this journey of spiritual calling that I followed after a life-death illness that took place in 2005-2006. With everything crashing around me, what did not crash was my faith, determination, conviction, and dedication to come back to life, to do what I really wanted to do. But I didn't know that God was writing another script for me and changed my entire gears of life, bringing me to this path of spirituality, wellness, and well-being. I thank God for all the awards, rewards, recognition, and everything that comes along, but most importantly, a greater and larger responsibility to be of service in a much better way each time that any such award or reward comes along. So I thank you all once again for thinking me worthy of inclusion, and I pray that my story inspires each and every one who experiences this beautiful book.
Thank you so much, Roshni. Let's welcome our next shining star. She is Marlene Pesney from Mexico. She is world-renowned cultural figure, writer, poetess, artist, transpersonal psychologist, Egyptologist, cultural ambassador of peace and humanity.
Hello, my friends. Greetings from Mexico. I am Marlene Pesney, Mexican. Writer, poet, artist, Egyptologist, psychotherapist, and ambassador of peace in the world. For me, it's a wonderful experience to be part of project 30 Shining Stars of the World. In this project, I share my life story in a great book. This book, in this moment, it's available in Amazon. Thank you so much to Prachi Gupta and all team of this project for this opportunity. I am very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, dear. Let's move on towards next shining star. She is Faten Alshir from Oregon. She is professional photographer, graduated from the New York Institute of Photography, also international award-winning photographer from Nigeria, Philippines, Paris, and Hollywood, CA, India.
Hello everyone, my name is Faten Alshir. I'm a professional photographer in Oregon, Portland. I'm so happy and honored to be recognized for this amazing and prestigious award ceremony from India, awarded as Best International Female Photographer of the Year 2022. So I'm just super honored and happy. I would like to give a special thank to best-selling author Prachi Gupta for this amazing award. Also, I would like to say, dreams don't work unless you do. I worked so hard to get here. I would like to thank my wonderful husband, amazing kids, my family, and my friends, and my clients for believing in my talent. Thank you so much for everyone. Also, I would like to say I'm super happy and honored to be in this amazing and gorgeous book, 30 Shining Stars of the World. I'm super honored to be one of them. Just can't express my feelings about it. Thank you so much to the best-selling author, Prachi Gupta, for everything, and thank you for all your hard work. It's really amazing. I would like to say, just believe in yourself, follow your dreams. No matter what, you will get there.
Thank you so much, dear. Now move on towards next one. She is Kanchan S. Farkia from USA. She is Miss World Class, Miss USA 2021, Editor-in-Chief of World Class India Fashion and Model Magazine, former Miss Asian North America, educator and a writer.
Did you know a book can train your imagination to think big? Hi, my name is Kanchan S. Farkia. I'm Miss World Class, Miss USA. I love reading books, especially inspirational books. I'm talking about 30 Shining Stars of the World. This is a book full of inspiration. And thank you so much, Prachi Gupta, for this opportunity and including me in this book. Thank you so much for inspiring generation of people and all the youth around the world.
Thank you, Kanchan. So let's welcome our next shining star. She is Rania Lampu from Greek. She is global educator, STEM instructor, researcher, Greek Ministry of Education and Religious Affairs, Greek Astronomy and Space Company.
Greetings from Greece. I'm Rania Lampu. I'm a multi-awarded global educator, STEM instructor, researcher, author, and founder of many international humanitarian projects based on Sustainable Development Goals. My beloved projects are humanitarian because they give me the opportunity to help underprivileged children in Greece and abroad. Education is the purpose of my life, and I feel happy to be able to communicate with students from all over the world. I feel blessed and honored to be featured among the 30 Shining Stars of the World of the book. I think it's a remarkable effort to bring together so many people who love what they're doing and inspire other people with their vision and mission. Dr. Prachi Gupta is an exceptional and best-selling author who took the initiative to honor eminent personalities from different walks of life and different countries. I want to tell the youth all over the world, don't give up even though our times are difficult. Keep up the good work. You should know that your sincere efforts will be rewarded in the end. Believe in yourself and your talent. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you so much, Rania. Our next shining star is Christina Konya from UK. She is spiritual coach, award-winning empowerment coach, award-winning international speaker, author, and success leader.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world, beautiful soul. My name is Christina Konya. I would love to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you to Prachi Gupta and to express my gratitude to her for giving me the chance to being part of the 30 Shining Stars of the World book 2022. And here's my message for you today. I'm sure that you've heard this so many times already. Believe in yourself. But that's a big truth. Trust and believe in yourself, and when you trust and believe yourself, you will fly really high. Try to acknowledge and accept that you are not only human, but you are all divine as well. You were born on this planet with a purpose, and your ultimate purpose, Our ultimate purpose is to be happy. We are always searching for happiness. But we only can get that. We only will be happy when we learn to respect and to love ourselves first. That's not a selfish thing. So here's my message to you. Believe in yourself, trust in your human and in your divine self, and you will be invincible.
Thank you so much, dear. Our next shining star is Dr. Melanie Felvi from Spain. She's founder expert Channel TV, woman empowerment, and diversity advocate.
Your fears hold the key to your superpowers. We all have superpower or more. There's always something that we are meant to be, do, or have in this life. But sometimes we feel a fear so big that it's stopping us from really pursuing our mission. That was my story too. My name is Melanie Falvey, and I am the founder of Expert Channel TV Media. And although today you see me here sitting comfortably and confidently speaking into the camera, I used to be terrified of being on video, of having photos taken, and if in camera, I was hiding. So what happened? Well, what happened is that I knew that I could help so many people tell the story, shine a light on the work they were doing, on their missions. And I knew that in order for me to be able to help them, I had to overcome my own fear of being on video. And who knows, your success might be on the other side of your fears. So always remember this. You can be, do, or have anything you want in life, even if you feel scared, even if you don't know the steps ahead. Just know that you hold a superpower within you. Don't be scared to face your fears. It's going to be your biggest opportunity. Your superpower will be found behind those fears. So don't worry about a thing. If I've been able to do it, you can do it too. All the best.
Thank you so much, dear. Our next shining star is Marilee Tholikima from Australia. She is award-winning global entrepreneur, thought leader, global influencer, energy expert, engineer, talk show host, published author, greatness coach, woman empowerment advocate, and champion on a mission to bring the best out of people and organizations.
Hello, my name is Marilee Tholikima. I'm one of the co-authors of the anthology 30 Shining Stars of the World. It is a privilege for me to be able to express myself. And for those who are going to read my chapter, for me, the message is to understand that education, and especially self-education, is everything. And that's the key for success. And I want to encourage you to be a long life learner and to always try to become the best version of yourself. I hope you're going to like the book, and I really want to thank Prachi Gupta and the team that have put all of this together to be able for us to impact every single youth in the world. Thank you so much, and I hope you're going to enjoy the book.
Thank you so much, dear, for your precious time. So let's move on towards the next shining star. She is Xanthi Hondrohill from Greek. She is public and international relations consultant, master in German literature and linguistics, journalist, and a poetess.
Hi, my name is Xanthi Hondrohill, and I'm from Nausa, Greece. I have always wanted to be a poetess. But people told me that there is no money in poetry. So I studied German and English literature and linguistics and became a teacher, but figured out that it's not for me. And then I began to study journalism. I loved it very much, writing and telling people stories and all of that. I enjoyed it very much. But it actually took me over more than 20 years to discover that I love poetry. I love doing events, I love doing festivals, and it just took me too long. And this is why I want to tell you to reach for the stars, because if you do what you dream about, you're going to be really good at that. And this is going to drive you to become better and better. And you will reach high. You might not catch the stars, but you will go high. So try and follow your dream and reach high.
Thank you so much, dear. Let's move on towards the next shining star. She is Aisthof from Netherlands. She is owner of a range of companies in the beauty sector, international runway model, international presenter, and part of event organization Jury Cannes Film Festival and Miss Netherlands Universe 2018.
Hello, world. My name is Aisha Top, Mrs. Netherlands Universe 2018. We all have our own life story, right? Everything what happens in our life creates the person who we are today. Also, including me. My lessons, my failures, my achievements, my success. And this I wanted actually to inspire the world, and my crowns are my wings to fly. So in 2018, as Mrs. Netherlands Universe, I did write my book in 2018, and my book is launched at the Philippines during the Mrs. Universe competition, where I was participating to represent the Netherlands. And here, my first book did born. Did you ever wonder why the people you are looking up to are so successful or are a role model in the life, in your life, or a role model for you? So this book, what I did write, is to switch the mindset. I want to inspire the world that we women have the power for a very strong mindset. So this book contains 21 inspiring true happened stories. My life story. And this book, it's amazing, but it did reach 100 international magazine publications, and as a writer this is a very big honor for me, but 13 international awards. And now we are coming with an amazing second book, because my journey did begin at the Philippines with this book. And after my Mrs. Universe competition, many doors had opened for me how to achieve something with never giving up.
Thank you so much, Ais, for your words. Let's move on towards next shining star. He is Peter Quado from Ghana. He is award-winning financial literacy advocate and educator. He's an author, a certified personal finance and business coach. He's an entrepreneur and a public speaker.
Once upon a time, a young kid was seated next to his granddad. And the granddad shared his story of how his financial actions and inactions was having a huge impact on his life. After listening to this story, the young kid decided to be the change he wanted to see in the world. So he started championing financial literacy in his community. Then he took it to his region, and then it became a national thing. Then it became an African thing, and now he is going global. This is my story. My name is Peter Kojo Asari-Nyako. I'm a financial literacy advocate and educator. I'm the executive director for the Center for Financial Literacy Education Africa. I am passionate about financial literacy, and I champion financial literacy across the globe. Today, I am excited and honored to be receiving the Thought Leadership Award and also to be part of the 30 Shining Stars of the World. I want to thank Global TV and the author of 30 Shining Stars of the World, Prachi Gupta, and the entire team. Now to you who is watching me, I want to inspire you, I want to challenge you, and I want to encourage you that yes, you can be the change you want to see in the world. Let's dare to dream. Let's dare to make a change. And together, we can help impact the world. Let's help make the world a better place.
Thank you so much, dear. So our next shining star is Isida Nunes from Portugal. She is a teacher, writer, poetess who has won numerous national and international awards.
I'm Isilda Nunes from Portugal, and I'm part of the book 30 Shining Stars in the World. No one is a hero without obstacles. Today, I realized I was really lost. I found myself again. I understood that, like a river, I searched for my mouth, and I eternally find myself on the banks where I get lost. Stripping myself of masks and naked of myself, I only carried in my rucksack the lessons I had absorbed up to that moment. Every detail of the path is essential, and everything has a reason for being. Today, I salute who I am, and to whom I am, I say yes. And at last, I understand that I've gone round and came.
Thank you, Isida. Now it's time to introduce our last shining star of the evening, Abraham Paul from India. He is global influencer, mentor, and strategic advisor to Vinata Aero Mobility.
I am very much thankful to Ms. Prachi Gupta of Huddle Books, who is the founder of Huddle Books, and also the best-selling author, and of course Mr. N.V. Paulos, who is the chairman of the Global TV. Apart from that, I would like to also wholesomely thank the Creative Society, which has bestowed the award on me of the Certificate of Honor of being the most outstanding business coach of the year. I'm really thankful to all those who have supported me relentlessly and without any sort of barrier. And I would like to convey my regards to all those supporters across the globe.
Thank you all shining stars for joining us for the night and sharing your precious thoughts. And thanks to you all viewers for watching us. This is Sadia Khalid from Pakistan saying ciao.
अहम इश्यूज हों या मुल्की और गैर मुल्की शख्सियात की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, हर लम्हा बाखबर रहने के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। बावसूख ज़राए से मुसद्दिक़ा खबरों, तज्ज़ियों और तबसरों से मुस्तफ़ीद होने के लिए अभी हमारी वेबसाइट को विजिट कीजिए। इसके साथ साथ आप हमें फेसबुक पर लाइक और फॉलो भी कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा हर टाइम ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों के हालात और मसाइल के हल को जानने के लिए हमारी ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। हम कर रहे हैं आपको हर लम्हा बाखबर, क्योंकि है 39 न्यूज़ पर आपका एतबार।